it. Got diamonds on my records. Since 16, I'm coming down right Alexus. How you gon' neglect this? You was just a hot mess. You can call Tyrone, Wang us a library.
Hey True Gang, welcome back to another video. On today's video, I will be creating my digital vision board for 2023. On this video, I will be using my format from my 2022 digital vision board, but the structure is going to be a little bit different this year. I will say 2022, I hit majority of my goals, I hit majority of my actions, but this year I want to go based off of my feelings and how I want to feel next year. So I will be following a structure from a book called The Desire Map. If y'all haven't checked it out, this video is not sponsored, but this book has inspired me to take a different route with the way that I'm doing my goal setting. It's encouraging me to look inward, which is something that I feel that I was missing at the end of 2022. Some parts of the different pillars of my life, it's like I've hit certain things, but there's something else that's missing. So I want to take a different route, so I'm going to do that with y'all today. I'll show y'all my past 2022 structure, which is more of like goals and then actions to take, and then I will show y'all what I'm doing this year, which will be the feelings that I want to feel and different experiences that I can do to get there. If I didn't say it previously, I will be using Canva to create my digital vision board or my desire map. I'll be altering my goals throughout the year, or my feelings and my experiences throughout the year. The great thing about a digital vision board is that you can edit it at any time versus a physical one. But if you do want to have a physical copy of this, I recommend just printing it out. And if y'all would like to follow along and create your own digital vision board following my structure and format, I'll be sure to include a link down below to a blank copy. You can use whichever flow you would like to do, whatever works for you. And let's get right into the video. So this is my previous 2022 digital vision board. So to go over a few of these pictures that I have some trips. My new apartment was a major goal for me. My favorite influencer, I just aspire to live her life. I have money in the bag, of course. And yoga, my 25th birthday was a super big year for me. I wanted to be a healthy wellness girl. I have a little bit of femininity over here, and yeah, just more trip pictures. So that's the overall vision board, and then I broke each pillar that was important to me down. I just used the same pictures or some that I had left over to add just some graphics to the sheet. And then at the top, I wrote out my goals, and then at the bottom, I wrote out different actions to get there. Anything crossed out was a change of mind, change of plans. And then anything green checked off was something that I was able to accomplish. So I have travel, I have career. As you can see, some of these aren't marked off, and last night I went through and I like updated everything and like finished checking off what I hit and what I didn't. But here's career. And then I have my personal life, and under personal, I put health, fitness, family, and friends. And then I have one more here that I won't show. It's just future career goals. I like to keep some things to myself. So that is the last slide here. So we'll pretty much be following this same format. I'm just gonna duplicate it, and then we're gonna make one for 2023. But like I said before, it will be a little bit different because instead of goals and actions, it will be based off of like feelings and experiences that I can have to get to those feelings and match those feelings. So I'm just gonna go back home here in Canva. If you don't have Canva, I used to have Canva Pro, but I'm currently using the free version, so anyone can just make an account with your email address. And then you can follow the link that I'll put in my description box for this format, or you can just create a design here. And you can type in like desktop wallpaper. They have it right here. That's the format that I'm using. Or a YouTube thumbnail. That'll be pretty big if you want to use this for your laptop or your desktop. And then if you want to do a smaller version, like a phone version, you can just type in like Instagram story, and that'll set you up perfect for that. So from here, I'm just going to duplicate, make a copy. And this will be my copy for 2023. So I'm just gonna retitle this here for 2023. Now within Canva, if you haven't used it, there's tons of tutorials, but I've pretty much already uploaded all of my images for 2023. So I've done a few of like my actual life because I want to make it more realistic to me, and I did have highlights in my life that I enjoyed, so I just included some nice pictures here. And then I also have included pictures from Pinterest. So I have quite a few. So there's pictures, there's quotes, different things that match the vibe that I want for 2023. And then for the pictures, I got everything besides my actual life from Pinterest. So I just made a secret board. Y'all can make it public if y'all want to share your board with others, but I'll make it public after I finish. So I just have a few things here. I want to continue on my wellness organic journey. Stay within my prayer life. I'm just telling y'all a little bit of like my goals and like how I want to feel and all of that. I want to feel really feminine and grown this year, so I included some bad girlies. I want to feel free within like just like my sensuality and just like myself, my inner soul. I want to actually create a yoga practice for myself. So I've dibbled and dabbled in a few yoga classes. I'm actually going today, but I want it to be like a point of my life that like I can always find a center in yoga. I want to, of course, increase my subscriber account, debt-free, want to pay off my credit card debt. So I just have like a few pictures here with like goals that I want to do, but I'll of course like read off my feelings that I want to reach with y'all, and I'll include those too for y'all to have a little preview. But these are the images that I found on Pinterest. You can literally search anything, y'all. Here's a few of what I searched, like family aesthetic, black girl, dog mom, in love, wellness girl, healthy girl. You can even search vision board. There's so many different topics that you can search. And you can just put black girl at the end if you're a black girl, if you're a black girl, if you're a black girl. And then it should pop up with some pins. I'm gonna save this board here for last. So I'm going to go in and clean up all of this. So I'm just gonna delete what I have here. Okay, so I just deleted the rest and I have this as a baseline. So using the pillars from the book, I'm going to rename these. So the first one will be livelihood and lifestyle. And don't worry, I'm just going to do one like feeling and experience with y'all. I'm not going to bore y'all with doing my entire board. So don't fret. I would not do y'all like that. But I just want to give y'all like the basis of what I'm doing. So then it's easy whenever y'all go and do it yourself. Okay. Livelihood and lifestyle. So that involves career, money, work, your home life, your style, and your travel. Then the next one is body and wellness. And this involves healing, fitness, food, rest, relaxation, and health. And there are more that you can fit into it. For all of these, I'm just going over a few of them so y'all have an idea. Creativity and learning, your interests, your education, and your hobbies. Relationships and society is the next one. Society. Okay. And then last but not least, you have essence and spirituality. Whoa, why is this a different color? Why is this a different color? Hold on, y'all. Technical difficulties. What? Canva? Not in the middle. Please tell me that's saved. Technology, y'all. Okay, it's saved. Whew. Okay, let me do it like this. Essence and spirituality. Did I even spell that right? Spiritual, yeah, spelling champ. Okay, so from here, I'm just gonna include, instead of goals, how do I want to feel? Livelihood. I'll just use like one word. And then move that down, add a little spacing. And then what can I experience to feel this way? Awesome. Okay, and then from here, I'm just gonna speed this up, copying and pasting this to all of these pages. So now I'll give y'all an example. So how do I want to feel? I'm going to take the numbers off because this isn't a number game. And within my livelihood and my lifestyle, I want to feel present. I want to feel freedom. I want to feel authentic, adventurous, feminine, which I talked to y'all about. That was on my goal board for last year. I want to keep expanding upon that. Prosperous and positive. And then what can I experience to feel this way? I wrote down one thing or two things. So I can schedule high tea, because that's something I've always wanted to do, and that goes into my femininity and being adventurous. I don't know why this is so much bigger. Hold on, it's gonna bother me. 27. How big is this? 28. 28. Okay, I can schedule high tea and I can put that ish on without asking what others are wearing first, or no matter where I'm going. So this basically means stop saving my outfits for an occasion, just put that ish on, okay? Okay, is this bolded? Because this looks different. Does this look different to y'all? Bazella. Okay, it says it's the same. All right, moving on to the next one. Oh, I didn't change this word. I was like, what? How do I want to feel within my body? Okay. And then I will change this to bullets. And I'm gonna speed this up, but y'all can see some of the things that I'm putting. So. Okay, so now for the fun part, putting all of our visions together. So like I said before, I have the pictures, so I'm just gonna plop in a few and just play with the arrangement. So this first one here, I got this idea from someone on TikTok. So basically, she screenshotted all of her social media accounts, and then she used this app to go in and edit the subscriber count. So currently I'm sitting at about, well, I'm actually sitting at 1,600 even. So I changed it to 5,000 because that was my goal last year. I haven't hit it yet, so I'm making it my goal again. So if you can see here, it will change based on the picture that's behind it. So to fix that, I just need to delete what's behind it and then repop it back in. So I'll show you all how to do that. So I'm just gonna trash that and then just put this here and then make it small enough for it to fit. There's also other ways to do this. I could have like changed the editing on the picture to make it lighter, but this is simple and easy. So pop that in, and then I'm just gonna play around with the rest of the board and then I'm gonna speed it up, and then I'll show you all the finished product. Okay, so this is my finished product. From here, I would just go in and plop pictures in that match the pillars, and then I will just save it and share it and download it as my desktop background. If you're doing it for your phone, you can save it in a mobile template and put it on your screensaver on your phone. But yeah, this is it. I hope that everyone watching this will have a successful 2023 ahead. Successful by whatever that means to you. I'm wishing everyone and your loved ones mental, physical, and spiritual health. I hope that your wildest dreams come into fruition, things that you never thought that you would be able to accomplish so soon. I just wish so much prosperity on anyone that is listening to the words of my mouth right now. I'll be praying for all of you. I just hope that y'all take the time to set out some goals or some feelings for yourself in the next year ahead. If you're not already a part of the True Gang, be sure to subscribe before you leave. And I just want to thank everyone for watching and have a happy, happy New Year.
Let's go.